Code review 590 of the Atomic Ivy MMO. Let's get into it. The source code is right here if you want to take a look. Okay, so in the illegal stuff section, we have some more monkey wrench macros for misspelled variables or misspelled constants or misspelled identifiers, I guess. In the Tileway function section, within this plot all function, we've started to write the body now. So we have the instruction buffer we're pointing to, the length and instructions of this instruction buffer, and an integer ID tag telling us which instruction buffer we're currently using. This is just a shorthand reference to these variables because this is kind of unwieldy, and this is plot point buffer 0 length and instructions, plot point buffer 1 length and instructions. This is the index of the current instruction, the maximum index of the dex value here. Here is the first uint32 of our instruction that encodes positional information, the second uint32 of our instruction, which encodes physical information. We're going to loop through both buffers. So this array integer ID, if it's 0, it's going to be the first plot point buffer. If it's 1, it's going to be the next plot point buffer. First thing we want to do is select which plot point buffer we're going to use. So if we're on 0 and we have information in the buffer, we're going to wire up that buffer. If we are on integer ID 1, then we're going to use the plot point buffer 1's length and if we are on this next buffer and there's actually information in that buffer, then we're going to wire up this buffer, right? So we're going to go plot everything in this, and then we're going to plot everything in this, and then we're going to break out of here if there's no more information left. So this is the top level loop, and then we have one more loop down here, unload plot points. So the index is going to go from 0 to the max index for the current buffer we're on, and here we're extracting the positional information, and here we're extracting the physical information. Each instruction is 2 components. That's why we have the index of the instruction multiplied by 2, a relative offset to 0 to the positional information, a relative offset of 1 to the physical information. We'll do more in the next video, but I thought this was enough for one video. Okay, so here's what we did previously. Actually, no, this is our footnotes. Footnotes, and then here's what we did in this video. So like and subscribe, send money in the mail. If you want a longer explanation, you can always go here to the intermediary playlist here. You're on the advanced playlist. Like and subscribe, send money in the mail.